Hi everybody, welcome back to Crafted Drawer, or welcome if you're new. So, I'm back, yeah. In today's video, I'll be letting Alexa choose my outfits for my dolls. So let's get to it. So I have 3 dolls, American Girl dolls. So basically, how this is gonna work is, depending on the number of choices I have, so say if I had 3 dresses, I'll say Alexa pick a number from 1 to 3, like that. And so yeah, let me show you the options that I have right now. So here are my many outfits choices. So I kind of organized them. So over there we have neck stuff. Over there we have neck stuff, hats, shoes. I have 1 pair of the Truly Me shoes, so that should work. Jackets, cardigans, anything for the bottom. Shirts, dresses, tops, yeah. So now let's get started. First doll I'll be doing is Luciana, Truly Me 2018. Okay, category I'm going to do first is tops. So, how many tops are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's go. Hey Alexa, pick a number from 1 to 7. Here's a number between 1 and 7. It's 5. 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have this red t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt. Okay, now let's do the pants or bottoms. Okay, oh wait, number 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey Alexa, pick a number from 1 to 4. 3. Ooh, jeans. Fun fact, these actually came in a pack together. So that's actually a coincidence. A jacket? Hey Alexa, pick a number from 1 and 2.
This might answer your question. 1 plus 2 is 3. Did that answer your question?
No. Hey Alexa, pick a number from 1 to 2.
Here's a number between 1 and 2.
1? So this. This is actually such a good outfit. I want to do something with the neck. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just gonna lay them out like that. Okay. Hey Alexa, pick a number from 1 to 5.
Here's a number between 1 and 5.
The scrunchie. It kind of ruined the look. By the way, I made that scrunchie. I made it in a video. And actually, so you can go check out how to make that. And that kind of ruined it. But a hat. A hat was interesting. Actually, none of those hats look good. We definitely need shoes. Hey Alexa, pick a number from 1 to 3. 1 to 3. 1. Oh no. I don't have a second shoe for 3. Why did I even include this? Okay, so unless I find the second shoe, she's gonna have me going 1 foot. Yeah. Now I'm gonna dress her. So recap, we have this cardigan, scrunchie, one shoe, jeans, and that top. I think this outfit's gonna look pretty good. So, here's how she looks. This is the final look. That's where I put the scrunchie. And yes, I did not find the shoe. What I'll rate this outfit is probably, so the only thing I don't like about this outfit, the scrunchie doesn't match really, and of course the shoe, but the shoes actually, if I did have both shoes, then it would be like a good match. So I'm gonna rate this an 8 out of 10. Actually, I'm gonna rate this a 9 out of 10, maybe 9.5 even. 9, yeah, I'm gonna rate it a 9. The next doll. So let's move on to the next doll. The next doll is Cassidy. So let's get to it. Oh, and by the way, the clothes that Luciana is wearing right now, I didn't include it. It's not included here. So like those aren't part of it anymore. So yeah. Okay, so hey Alexa, choose a number from 1 to 6. 5 again? Ooh, she gets the hoodie. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, she gets the hoodie. Oh, the collar is a bit red, but it's okay. Now, the bottoms. Hey Alexa. Hey Alexa. Choose a number from 1 to 3. 1, so that's, ooh, not bad. Neck ones? Okay, here. Hey Alexa, choose a number between 1 and 4. Scarf, hat. We have a hoodie, so we don't need a hat. Hey Alexa, choose a number between 1 and 2. Ooh, it's decent, but I think Luciana's was definitely better. So we have hoodie, tights thingies, scarf, shoes. I think the only part I don't like the tights really. But then again, none of the other options were better. So the tights were the better option. And definitely not the scarf. Okay, let's go. Okay, so Cassidy is all dressed up. I'm just gonna start with saying that her outfit was a lot worse than I thought. Her outfit is like comfy style, I guess. Yeah. So she has her hair out, not in those braids anymore. I don't know, it gives it more of a formal look now because of her hair being out. And the scarf makes it more formal too. Ooh, the scarf completely hides the hood, and also the hood doesn't really work. It wasn't working before either, so the scarf completely hides the hood, which is also good because I the sewing kind of like undid it here. Like it's starting to rip here, so covered it up. However, the scarf completely kind of ruined the look. These pants, I think if I went with a solid color, would have been better. Like, solid color would have been better. But then again, if the scarf wasn't there, I think the pants will actually look to the last doll, and I feel kind of bad for her because she has a really limited option of clothing. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey Alexa, choose a number between 1 and 4. Ooh, she got the dress. Let's just hope she doesn't get the skirt. Otherwise it's gonna be weird. Hey Alexa, choose a number between 1 and 2. Oh. This doesn't look like it's going well. Hey Alexa, okay, how many? 1, 2, 3. Hey Alexa, choose a number between 1 and 3. Ooh, it's not a bad option. It's this friendship necklace. Hat? I'm gonna go with no hat, and shoes also take them. And I'm not gonna really go with the jacket, really, because it doesn't really need a jacket. So let's do a quick recap what we just got. Really formal dress. Tutu. Don't know how that's gonna work out. This friendship necklace. And some flats. Okay, so here's Milani. Honestly, her outfit isn't even that bad, to be honest. So here's the look. I actually like it. And as you can see, her skirt is sticking up a little interesting, but I actually kind of like it, and it actually adds like a lot of volume. I made it like a high-low dress, so like see, high and then make it lower. Maybe that's just the way I sewed the dress, maybe. I actually like this. Yeah, so see, I have the skirt underneath. Here's the necklace. I layered it a little. Shoes. Now honestly, this dress isn't even, it's not even that bad, this outfit. When I thought this was gonna be so bad, it's not that bad, honestly. Her hair, however, I just left it out. I just left her hair out. Yeah. Anyways, so her rating is probably, should I say 8 out of 10? Honestly, I'm gonna give it a 9. I don't even know what's wrong with it. I'm just gonna give it I'm not gonna give it a 10. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. So I have them all here. Where is she looking? Oh, no. So I have all of their right here. So they're standing like they're standing based off like what I ranked them. So Nalani is definitely the winner. Like Alexa did a really good job doing Nalani's outfit in my opinion. Next is Luciana. Scrunchy. And then finally Cassidy. This is actually pretty fun and interesting to do. Maybe I should do another one of these outfit challenges. Comment down below if you're interested in that. So please give this video a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Anyways, bye.